Hello, hello. Welcome back. I got something else in the mail again. So, why don't we go ahead and get this open? We'll see where it's from. Using my wonderful multi-tool. Yeah, I really like this. Every time I use it, I have to thank Vince and the guys over there at VCJ. I used the gift card that I won from them to buy that. Well, to help me pay for it. I'll try and link their channel up here in the video. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, well, we have a bill, which everything comes with a bill nowadays. And then I have something bagged. Let's put that on the floor. This is a lathe tool that I ordered probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I just got it in very recently. Haven't had the time to really get to it, nor was I feeling up to even trying to use it out in my wood shop. So I'm starting to feel a little bit better now, so I think I might be able to get out there pretty soon. So I'll show you what this is. Let me get in here. Try not to rip the bag. And here we are. It's packed in oil pretty well, and it comes with the nice safety tip on it. Well, not a safety tip. I forget what they call it, but they basically get the tools, they cut them, and then it's kind of like a rubbery wax. It's just to protect whoever's handling it so they don't get hurt. So, what this is a 2-inch spindle roughing gouge. I'm gonna have to clean it up and get the tape, glue, and all that kind of stuff off of it. This one is made by Savannah Turning Tools. It is made out of high-speed steel. I have a couple homemade carbide bit tools that I have out in my wood shop. I basically cut down the handles, cut off the pry bar end, and just use the handles of the pry bars that I got from Harbor Freight, and then I drilled them and tapped them and ground them down to fit the carbide insert. They work really good for roughing stuff in. And that's basically kind of what this is used for. This is used for mainly one purpose only, and that is to take a long square piece of stock and turn it round. When you're working on a lathe, this does not get used on end grain. It only gets used on side grain. As you can see here, where it goes in, you have this big heavy tool out here, and right here where it goes in, the part that they call the tang, if you use this on end grain, it will grab and everything else. And I actually broke my last one because I went down on the end and I kind of rounded it around. I went around the corner a little bit and tried to round off just to break the edge because it was frayed, and it caught the end grain, just snapped it right off. I also only had a 1-inch spindle roughing gouge. As you can tell, the name tells you exactly what you use it for. It's for roughing in spindles. For chair legs, you can use them for like pedestals, you know, that kind of stuff, but it's always side grain. You don't use it on end grain. you would not use this on a bowl. Using this on a bowl, as it goes around, it bangs. Bowls are end grain, side grain, end grain, side grain. So when it cuts the side grain, it would cut fine. When it gets to the end grain, it just grabs it, catches it, and yanks it down and snaps it right off. So this will be used for like the last my last video was the bottle stopper kit. I'll link that video up here for you. This will come in really handy for that. You'll definitely be seeing a lot of my shop work coming up very shortly. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, if you've been to my channel before, don't forget to like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, you can hit the thumbs down. So if you can, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If any of you guys out there use Savannah tools, or if you've had good or bad encounters with spindle roughing gouges, let me know. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for anyone that's here. So that way you'll be able to see my content as soon as it's released, or at least be notified as soon as it's released. And other than that, have a nice day, guys. Hope you enjoyed.